What if your jaw suddenly gets stuck and you are unable to close mouth? This is very emergency condition where the patient experience a severe pain. Hi, I'm Dr. Suresh, Senior Consultant Maxillofacial Surgeon. We commonly see conditions where patient tries to open mouth while eating food or yawning and jaw gets stuck, is unable to close the mouth. Incredibly painful condition. This condition is called as mandibular dislocation. Mandible is nothing but your lower jaw dislocation. Now, what to do? Immediately, do not panic. Please understand that this is a procedure can be done to set your jaw back. So do not panic. Use some bandage to tie your jaw so that the jaw is supported. And immediately consult a maxillofacial surgeon where they reduce manually to set back your jaw into a proper position. Do not try to reduce the dislocated jaw in yourself, because sometimes by forcible manipulation it may cause a permanent damage in the joint itself or fractures of the jaw also. So do not forcefully attempt to close the jaw or reduce yourself. Immediately consult a maxillofacial surgeon. We'll understand why does this occurs. So because of this excessive mouth opening habit, the joint dislocates from its normal position and that gets stuck anterior to the ridge. So that is where the patient will be unable to close the mouth. This is a structural problem within the joint itself. Other is habitually. Suppose someone has got a habit of excessive mouth opening and they're trying to yawn or eat a big piece of food, that's where the jaw dislocates from its normal position. Now, what are the treatment options? Consult a maxillofacial surgeon where initially they reduce the mandible or the lower jaw manually into its proper position and use a Barton's bandage which wraps around your head and the jaw to support that it doesn't dislocate. Initial painkillers are used to relieve the pain medication. Muscle relaxants doesn't have a major role in mandibular dislocation. There are two types of dislocation. One is acute dislocation, where it happens once in lifetime. Another condition is called as recurrent dislocation. If the lower jaw is getting dislocated frequently, very frequently and often you're trying to manipulate yourself and close the mouth, that is called as recurrent dislocation. Please understand, every time the jaw is manipulated into normal position, there is a damage internally happening within the smooth structures within the joint. So to prevent this problem, there are surgical options where a simple surgery can permanently fix the problem of dislocation so that in future never the jaw gets dislocated and there will not be any hassles in their lifetime. If you find this information valuable, please share it with the people who are in need of it. Thank you for watching this video.